Have you ever been cheated on?
So many times.
This time on Curly Tales, we have the hottie of Bollywood, Vidyut Jamwal, and we're going to ask him questions about food and travel. Hi Vidyut, great to have you with us on Curly Tales. Let's first start with how do you get those muscles? What's your workout regime like?
First things first, you shouldn't be disciplined at all. I've been reading stories of people waking at 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I believe that if you want to be somebody or you want to achieve something, just go and get it. You don't have to, if you've decided I will run 4 kilometers and you can't wake up at 6 in the morning, please make sure you go and run in the afternoon or in the evening. Discipline is something that could be a part of the past.
Well, that's quite apt for all our Curly Tales viewers because we are foodies, and whenever we see a beautiful visual of any food item, we just go out and get it. Want to know, martial arts or Bollywood films? What's your true love?
What's my true love? See, I'm a martial artist first, and because of my martial art ability, I'm a part of the Hindi film industry. So they're intertwined.
Tell us about your first love.
Yeah, that was I think I was 17 years old and I fell in love with this girl, and I thought, it's one of the most amazing experiences. I used to steal my dad's car and be in it, wait outside her house for 2 hours in the heat with no air conditioning, and I used to love waiting for her, and every time she came out with Vaseline on her, and I used to think this is the most amazing fragrance. So love like that is amazing.
Okay, a female actor crush? Bollywood, please.
None.
None?
No.
Seriously?
No.
Okay. A tip for food bloggers who eat a lot.
Please go and make sure you eat a lot. If you feel like eating, if you have a sugar craving, make sure you go and eat sugar. But please don't if you feel like eating 1 gulab jamun, eat 1 gulab jamun. Don't go and fill your stomach up with 10. Same is the case with salt. If you feel like eating something salty, go and eat it because your body is craving for it. I was telling somebody that the best thing to learn is from pregnant women. They have sudden cravings I want to eat pickle, I want to eat something sweet. That's because they know what their body is asking for. Our body is always asking for things. Listen to it and it will tell you what it needs.
What is your body asking for right now?
For this interview to be really cool.
Okay. You like traveling?
I love it.
And your dream destination?
It keeps changing. I used to love going to Rishikesh. I used to really enjoy being there, but I've done it so many times that it's still my dream destination because I enjoy it, but I've done Rishikesh a lot of times. I used to love going to Kerala. I love being to the east of India.
And what about adventure sports? Because you mentioned Rishikesh. It's known for its river rafting. So have you tried any of that?
I've done it all, yeah.
Okay.
I loved it.
Your 3 favorite dishes?
It keeps changing, but I ate idli in the afternoon and I loved it. I'm not really a foodie, but if I feel like eating something, I go and eat it.
Which actor in Bollywood do you think can compete with you when it comes to your physique?
You know what I love about Akshay Kumar is that he's constant. He's been like this since I've always watched him. But what I like about Shah Rukh Khan is that he's not a martial artist, but he's got this alacrity in his body. He's got this spunk in him. So some of Shah Rukh and Akshay.
Okay, quick rapid fire. Have you ever been cheated on?
So many times.
Really?
Of course.
How many?
I must have caught a few times, but so many times, yeah.
Have you ever been drunk and thrown up?
I have got drunk.
Yes.
So many times.
Thrown up as well.
Yeah. If I drink, I really drink a lot so that I can get drunk. I don't drink to hey, I'm having a good glass of whiskey. No, I get drunk, I like it.
And how do you get over your hangover the next morning?
I keep sleeping.
Have you ever written someone a love poem?
I write love poems, I'm not very sure of.
Yeah.
But I like writing letters.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you still write them?
Yeah, of course.
Have you ever eaten a roadside meal in Mumbai?
All the time. I train with these boys who are from the slums. I have a stunt team. There's one boy who sells vada pav. There's one boy who sells books in the train. There's one boy who's a compounder. There's one boy who sells brooms. So when you have friends like that, you better be eating street food.
So what's your favorite street food?
Misal pav.
Okay. And any particular place where you like misal pav?
I used to like it in Andheri Sports Complex. Not that it's the coolest place to be, but I used to enjoy it because when you sweat like that and you work out like that, you enjoy that salt in you.
And if you could eat only one food dish for the rest of your life?
Figs.
Your favorite travel partner, who do you like traveling with?
Anybody. I like people. I love to go on drives. I've done the whole of the country in my car and grown up with the family where we've only traveled by road. So I love people traveling with me.
Okay. What kind of a traveler are you?
I just travel because when you start traveling, you get through the adventures. You'll have a flat tire, you'll meet up with an accident, you'll have blah, 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 blah. It's a part of the journey.
You mentioned about which destination you like in India, but what about international?
So I went to this place called, I like going to Georgia because it's very not traveled by. Now people have started going there. There's a place called Abkhazia. There's a race called Abkhazians. You should please Google it. So what I love about Abkhazia is that they love older people. So if you're above 50, people will find you hot. Like I traveled with my mom and my mom's about 60. There were men coming in complimenting her saying, "Ma'am, you're so beautiful. Can I get you a drink?" Senior people, senior citizens are really taken care of. So hence I like Abkhazians because first of all, they don't grow old. And if you Google it, they are the longest living people on planet Earth because they respect age. Over here, it's like somebody's 30, you are old. They start living life after 60, 70. They start smoking cigarettes after 60, 70. It's cool.
All right. That's interesting. Thank you very much, Vidyut.
Thank you. Thank you.